Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to talk to ChatGPT using your voice for free? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use ChatGPT voice mode on your phone step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your phone and search for ChatGPT. Go ahead and install the app. And if you already have it installed, make sure to update it to the latest version. Once that's done, open the ChatGPT app. Now, look at the bottom right side of your screen. You'll see a small audio or microphone icon. Tap on it. The app will ask for permission to use your microphone. Just tap Allow, and that's it. Now you can start talking to ChatGPT using your voice. You can ask questions, get answers instantly, and even have a full conversation hands-free. If you want to stop, just tap the mute button. And to exit voice mode, tap the X icon, and you'll go back to the normal chat screen. Super simple, right? If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.